Sometimes I say the blue one is my favorite, sometimes I say the black one is my favorite because I can't help it, okay? What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. This is Tanisha. In case you're seeing this face for the very first time, do not forget to leave this video without subscribing, without pressing the bell icon, because you don't want to miss out on a lot of amazing haul videos coming from this channel. And I'm coming up with a video on every alternate day. So there are going to be a lot of videos to binge on. So you don't want to miss out, I'm for sure. And also do not forget to check me out on my Instagram account, as I've been creating a lot of amazing stuff over there as well, and there are a lot of aesthetic content as well, so you would love it over there. And today's video, as you guys already seen, is going to be a sunglasses haul, and I feel like sunglasses are such important piece of accessories, and I felt like they needed, and I mean they deserve a separate video just for sunglasses. And also you guys love all of the sunglasses pieces that I usually show you, but this time I'm going to show you like 7 pieces of sunglasses that I've got. And Amazon is a very good place to get sunglasses from. Like usually Amazon pieces are not that trendy when it comes to clothes or something like that, but the sunglasses are damn trendy. Like these are the trendy pieces that like you find on Urbanic and everywhere else. Let's start with the first one, which is going to be a cat eye, and this is going to be this beautiful, like a sleek kind of cat eye style that you see over here. And you have this nice animal print in this brown color, this tan brown color that you see over. So I have this sort of golden detailing going on over here, and also the material is like very nice and strong and everything. This is, I think so this is kind of a plastic material, I would say, but it's not that bad plastic material, like plastic plus fiber kind of material. And also the tint of the glass that is used is also like kind of light brown that you see over here. I love this one. It's so pretty. I got this one for rupees 411 only. Yes, 411 is a very good price for this like very like trendy kind of sunglasses that you see over here. And this also has like UV protection, 400. And yeah guys, this pink top may not go with all of the pieces that I show you, so just ignore the color over here, just look at my face please. This is how it looks like, just so pretty, like so fancy. Like can you see the cat eye thingy is so good. And the next piece that we have is going to be such a summery vibe, such a pretty color, and a very unique, like this is perfect Goa style. I know you are sold out at the look of this one because it's so good, like the blue color, like a sea blue color of this one, and especially the silver hardware to it is so good. I love the silver detailing in this one, and also the frame arms are so good, like this thick nice silver detailing. I love this detailing. And also this is kind of looks like a rimless, but it is not exactly rimless. You also have like silver hardware going down over here as well, which is also so cool. I remember that song, like I don't remember the song exactly, but yeah, so I've seen this in a lot of like music videos and all of that, and a lot of people wear it. And a lot, I got this one for 599, and this material over here, the metal thing that you see over here is kind of an alloy material. So alloy is actually a mixture of different metals. Oh lord, this is looking so good. The next piece is the one which is famous on Amazon with the name of Badsham. So this one has this really cool detailing of golden color and this black color flame that you see over here, and this is so broad. I love the arms when they are like very broad over here, and then you see this kind of a square thingy going on over here, and then the detailings and everything is so super. And the color options in this one are like white and blue and brown, and there's different sorts of color options. You can get all of them, and I got this one for 499. It also has a nice detailing at the top over here, like these two lines. Oh my lord, this is so good. like very thin and you have a small face, then this might look like very very heavy on your face, so you need to recheck, because the size of this one is pretty good, like a heavy size. So yeah guys, didn't I tell you that all of these pieces are coming in like really nice cases? So this is the one case. Like there are a lot of other different cases, and some comes in that box kind of case, or some comes in like the cloth material bag kind of case. Next one that we have over here is going to be more on the subtle side, like more of the like the neutral subtle side, and this one is in this nice beige kind of color that you see over here. This is kind of cat eye, but a square cat eye. This is called the square cat eye because you see that the frame is actually square in shape, but they do have like this pointy thingy that is called cat eye. Okay, so this is the square cat eye that you see over here. This is like a beige color, more in a little bit of tan beige color, and then you have this kind of clear thingy over here. The arms are also of the beige color that you see over here. These are something that can be worn anytime, like while you're driving the car, or while you're walking somewhere, or going for shopping in the sun or something like that. I got this one for 425. The material of this one is kind of fiber plus plastic, but I love the material. Is very nice. It's solid, nice. The fit is amazing. Pretty pink color, finally something that matches my top. Okay, so this one you see over here is a rimless frame, very broad kind of square kind of frame that you have over here, and this is in this ombre color. This goes from pink color to lighter pink, and then clear color, and then you have these arms over here, which is kind of a very simple golden frame that you have. And then you also have golden detailings in the middle and nothing else. Like this ombre color itself speaks a lot. This one I got for rupees 525 or something like that, but trust me, it's such a nice color. Like you also have other color options in this one, I think so. There's a blue shade, a purple shade or something. And this one actually comes in this sort of case that you have over here. This is a black case with this red lining, like a red kind of a chain thingy, and this is more of the fiber made case in a square cat eye that I already explained to you. Animal print kind of a sort of a style. It might look similar to the nude one that I just showed, but no, it's very very different. The nudes one are actually quite broader than this one, and this is more like pointier over here. And then you have the arms, which is of the same like animal print sort of a thing in the brown color. I love this brown color. I should have got it in a different color because I already have one more, like the first one that I showed you, but in the black color and all of that, it was not looking that good. Okay, in the black color I felt like I should go for this one. And this material is again kind of a plastic sort of a material, but the very thick nice material. This also has UV protection. This also says that they have UV protection stuff, and this I got for 444. That is 444 rupees, which is quite some good price. This is in the cloth style of a thing, and then you have this button down over here, and then you have the cloth piece and everything, which comes with every other thing. Last piece that I have over here is actually the most cheapest out of the whole haul, which is just 275 rupees. And this one is actually an oversized kind of like an extra kind of sunglasses. Okay, I mean, this is a yellow color that I chose along with this black frame all around, and the sides are like this, like really huge kind of arms that you see over here. This comes in a lot of other colors like blue, orange, red, green. There are all of the colors available in this one, but the yellow one was like very attractive to me, so I got this one. And also, you know that this is so cheap and so affordable, but still the quality is exactly the same as the other pieces. I have to tell to you guys, this one is sort of like a plastic to fiber color material that you see over here. And
it's rated X. That means you're extra.
I felt like कि maybe मुझे नहीं होगा अच्छे से, लेकिन this looks very nice, like the oversized thingy, and also the color options are so super great. That comes to the end of this video. I had so much fun with these sunglasses. Sunglasses is something that I love when it comes to accessories. Like, so you know what you want to get. All of the links are gonna be down below, so do not forget to check those out. And until next time, I'll see you guys. Tata, bye bye. Take care of yourself, and see you in the next video.